Nikon ZZ2 trong tục về về trong pra về bàn use về admin unlock thế cái miền là ZZ Mark II này mình xây chỉ lo thếสำหรับnhómบัตรใส่สบายจัดอันเวียดนะไปได้มือ LCD แบบนี้วิ่งย้ำช่วยจัดสำเร็จดีก่อนออนเนี่ยโฟกัสอัดการได้ออเตะดักรูปเพียบมากคือมีแหลกหนักทั่วย้ำช่วงยี่ช่วงกาไก่สุดท้ายเนี่ยเราเนี่ยมาจบจะบุยในชมมาดาวแล้วอย่างนี้มีวิดีโอทำไมสำหรับจูนเนี่ยเราเนี่ยที่เชียร์วิดีโอรีวิวสำหรับกล้องได้ชมมันปราบเวียรีวิวได้บาทนั่นคือ Nikon ZZ2 บาทที่มันเมนชีกล้องได้เติมแต่ในเจนทำไมดูเจนใบบุญชนามปรามชนามไม่ได้ไปเจนใบบุญปรามชนามใหม่บันไดบาทชมมันปราบเวียระยะเป็นเจ็ดปรามไทยได้ฮะเนี่ยสลายกล้องนั้นกดบานบองช่วยเฟอร์รีวิวไว้ยอมติ๊กช่องดังตาการประจมูกในกล้องนี้ตาเวียมีแหละกระดาษยังไม่ได้กดซูยูได้ให้บันไดชมบานเฟอร์ได้ซาชมช่องตุกเปเรียชมปราเวียบานยูสันตาเวียมีแหละกระดาษใบไม้สำหรับชมให้เป็นเชี่ยชมกับทลอดเฟอร์การรีวิวกล้องSony มวยได้ปีมุน Sony A72 ไอตัววิดีโอจ้าพันชมอะไรนี่คือชมเฟอร์การรีวิวแต่เลย Nikon ZZ Mark II นั่งได้บานเซ็ตประมวย Mark II มาให้ก็มันเมนเชียวิดีโอได้ไตรบาทเอาปฐมปีกรมพลนิคอนเต้ฟรอนด์เชียวิดีโอได้ชมเฟอร์ไลน์สำหรับเด็กออกนี้ให้เอาไว้เด็กชมในยัยก็อันมีทางกรมพลหรือก็ข้างหน้าเอาชมในยัยได้คือชมในยัยอันปีสำหรับรำตัวคล้วนระบบชมได้ชมปราเวียบานเยอะเป็นบุญคายนั่งมาบานจังโชว์ตัวเบอร์ออกนี้เนี่ยได้จังสลังหรือกับติ่งบางจังช่วงนึงในอัมพีจำนวนวิจำเนียนในฮะตาจำนวนมันใส่จีละอสำหรับยืงมุนให้ช่วงนึงในอัมพีจำนวนใหญ่ละอที่ปีให้มือจิตที่ใบนู้ตาการรานี้สำหรับเนี่ยนานบ้างเช่นสำหรับยาเปเด็กชมปราเวียนี่คือชมบานกระตูบัตสับเช้าจมูกหนึ่งเวียการรานี้มีนไปบนเมกะพิกเซลจมูกหนึ่งCMOS sensor processor พันเวียนู้คือ 8-bit 6ให้มี in body stabilization มีในท่าเซนเซอร์พันเวียนั่นคือบ่มเปียจมูกหนึ่งIBIS ได้กับท่า stabilize ในของเซนเซอร์พังได้วิมีมุกงี้จุดชานที่รอได้ให้ auto focus พันเวียหรือกับ focus mode พันเวียคือยังอาจ detect หรือกับอาจจับโยกมนุษย์ให้หนึ่งสัตว์สำหรับการถอดวิดีโอวิ่งคือวิอาจถอดบาน 4K วิอาจมี unlock เทควิอาถอดแหลกขนาดธรรมดาปริษัทเมียนไม่ถอดแบบนี้โอเคเช่นช่วงนึงในยัยบรรทอเทียนอัมพีจำนวนเศร้าได้ยังได้บัตรพิซซ่าระบบยมบาทบุญคายตาวิมีจำนวนวิจมีเรือจำนวนอักษรไอ้คลาบ้าสำหรับตีมวยการบรรดาปัจจัยชีสมัยไว้คือฉบับจีเน็ตออเฮียซวยแต่อ้อฟอกค่าคืออย่างใบปองออโต้ฟอกค่าพันวีลอได้เต้เรื่องมันก็ยังไว้สำหรับช่องออโต้โฟกัสได้มีนเลยZZ Mark IIนี่มันใส่ชีรอจีปัญหาสู้แต่อักระเวียอักระเช่นสำหรับออโต้โฟกัสฟันวีบางยมปริบทิพย์จมูกในกล้องแบรนด์เซ็งได้มีจำนวนได้สามประเด็นประหายแค่นี้คือวิมีแหลกขนาดเสียเชียงมันติสำหรับยมบัดใส่สบายเช็ดตั้งวีได้นะไปได้ปลาประปวนออโต้โฟกัสฟันวีนั้นอุทธรณ์ยังทอดมนุษย์จานหรือจะทอดมนุษย์กรุ๊ปจังเช่นเราไปได้ยังได้ไอออโต้โฟกัสหรือไอ tracking หรือจับโยมมันนั่นคือวิมินแหลกนะมันใช่เชียจับบานหล่อวิจับคะแนนติ๊กคะแนนติ๊กนับไปได้ยังเสด็จให้เสด็จด่าฐานในจอมที่ต่างนามวยให้วิมินแหลกนะมันใช่เชียจับหล่อจีบสั้นนับไปได้ยังทอดนับไปได้ซับชิดมูมันหรือก็มนุษย์หรือก็มีนสกัดมาเพียบแอคชั่นเรียงเรือนมันติ๊กแต่หมกตะกราวนั่นคือรูปถักดอกสลัดวิไอมีบุญแต่ปรามสลัดอย่างนั้นนะมีในทวีไอจับบานแต่ปรามประมุยสลัดแก่จังบุญสลัดที่น้องวิไอเบลอหรือไอฟอกค่ะมันใส่เชียนิกแต่ปัญหาเปอร์เซ็นต์ชีสับชิดในสนิมคืออัดจีปัญหาที่ยังไอวิไอทอดบ้านหรือก็ไอจับบานโยกสับชิดในสนิมบ้านอย่างละออกบากหายมือเตี้ยนั่นคือนับไปได้ยังพยายามทอดในขนมแหลกคันมือติดธรรมดาวิมี viewfinder ให้หนึ่ง LCD ยังไปคล้ายยังทอดหนึ่ง EVS ได้ค่ะแต่ viewfinder นั้นไปคล้ายยังทอดจมูกหนึ่ง LCD วิคันกลาวซึ่งนับไปได้กล้องจับดำดำหน้ากายังจับดำทอดจนtớiนับไปได้ยังยกกล้องนั้นมาดันพันเอกให้ไปต่อมายังดอกชิงลงไว้ในไม่เจอการทอดจมูกหนึ่ง LCD มีแหลกขนาดยืดย้ายนับไปได้วิ switch ปี LCD มาปี viewfinder มา LCD วิมีแหลกขนาดยืดเหมือนเดิมสำหรับยังมาใส่จะเป็นเชดเดชนับไปได้ยังรายการทอดแอคชั่นในเลื่อนทอดโครงการที่ได้ยังปัญญาจังนับไปได้ยังช่อง switch ปี EVS มา LCD นี่เป็นแหลกขนาดยืดจังtớiไปคล้านับไปได้ยังធ្វើแบบนุ๊กบัดบองใน ប្លង់សំខាន់ដែលយើងចង់បានហ្នឹងពេលខ្លះតំបន់ខ្លះក្នុងកន្លែងខ្លះយើងអាចដាក់នៅជក់ឬក៏យើងអាចថតជាមួយនឹង LCD បានទេវាច្បាស់ជារៀងលក្ខណៈគៀកពេកចិត្តពេកអញ្ចឹងទៅវាធ្វើឲ្យយើងពិបាកក្នុងការថតអញ្ចឹងយើងត្រូវលើកប្រើ view finder អញ្ចឹងទៅតែនៅពេលដែលយើង switch វាមកវិញនៅពេលដែលយើងដកវាពីភ្នែកមកដាក់នឹងមើល LCD បែបនេះវិញគឺវាមានលក្ខណៈយូរយឺតយ៉ាវបើប្រៀបជាមួយនឹង brand ផ្សេងដោយសារខ្ញុំធ្លាប់ប្រើ brand ផ្សេងច្រើនខ្ញុំអាចយល់បានថាវាយ៉ាងម៉េចអញ្ចឹងវាមានលក្ខណៈយឺតយ៉ាវបន្តិចសម្រាប់យើងដូរពី EVS មក LCD អញ្ចឹងអាហ្នឹងគឺពាក់ព័ន្ធជាមួយនឹង view finder បានវាបាទហើយមួយទៀតនៅពេលដែល LCD បានវានៅពេលដែលយើងថតបើសិនជាវាក្តៅយើងចាប់បានថតច្រើនអញ្ចឹង body បានវាច្បាស់ជាក្តៅហើយក្តៅអញ្ចឹងពេលខ្លះនៅពេលដែលយើងឈប់ថត LCD យើងយកមកថតនៅ view finder អញ្ចឹងនៅពេលហ្នឹងគឺខ្ញុំមានអារម្មណ៍ថានៅពេលដែលចំមកបានយើងប៉ះជាមួយនឹង screen អញ្ចឹងទៅវាធ្វើឲ្យ auto focus បានវាហ្នឹងវា lock ជាប់នៅហ្នឹង lock ជាប់នៅទីតាំងដែលចំមកយើងជាប់ហ្នឹងអញ្ចឹងទៅពេលខ្លះយើងអត់ focus ទៅលើរូបភាពផងជើងទេវាទៅជាចាប់នៅជ្រុងមួយដែលជាប់នឹងចំហផងយើងវាជាប់ stack នៅហ្នឹងឯងវាអាចដកបានតលតែខ្ញុំដកកាមេរ៉ាហ្នឹងចេញពីមុខមកហើយខ្ញុំព្យាយាមថាច់វាម្ដងទៀតថាច់ហើយមួយទៀតនោះគឺនៅពេលដែលយើងថាច់ចុះថាច់ឡើងគឺវារៀងពិបាកដែរពេលខ្លះពេលដែលម៉ាស៊ីននេះក្តៅថាច់ auto focus បានវាមានលក្ខណៈពិបាកបន្តិច Nikon Z6 Mark II អញ្ចឹងវាមានលក្ខណៈពិបាកត្រង់ចំណុចហ្នឹងហើយមួយទៀតនោះគឺបើសិនជាយើងប្រើ SD card ធម្មតាកាមេរ៉ានេះវាមាន2 slot ណាអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នា slot ទី1គឺ CF Express Type B ជាមួយនឹងមួយទៀតគឺ SD card អញ្ចឹងនៅពេលដែលយើងប្រើខ្ញុំជឿជាក់ថាអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាឬក៏អ្នកដែលយើងទូទៅសាមញ្ញហ្នឹងច្បាស់ជាប្រើតែ SD card ទេអត់សូវជាប្រើ CF Express Type B ដោយសារវាថ្លៃអញ្ចឹងពាក្យច្រើនយើងប្រើតែ SD card ទេអញ្ចឹងនៅពេលដែលយើងថតវាអាចមានសភាពយឺតយ៉ាវធ្វើឲ្យកាមេរ៉ាហ្នឹងវាក្តៅអញ្ចឹង operation បានវាឬក៏ការប្រើប្រាស់បានវាយើងរៀងលក្ខណៈពិបាកពេលហ្នឹងចឹងអានេះយើងត្រូវទទួលស្គាល់ឲ្យដឹងឲ្យមុននឹងអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាចង់ទិញអូខេអញ្ចឹងអានេះគឺជាចំណុចខ្សោយដែលវាមាននៅលើប្រព័ន្ធ auto focus ជាមួយនឹង technical មួយចំនួននៅលើនេះវាពាក់ព័ន្ធដែលខ្ញុំព្យាយាមសាកល្បងជាច្រើន option ដែរឬក៏ព្យាយាមថតក្នុងលក្ខខណ្ឌផ្សេងដែរប៉ុន្តែវាមិនសូវជាបានដូចអ្វីដែលយើងប្រើប្រាស់ជាមួយនឹងកាមេរ៉ាផ្សេងដទៃទៀតចឹងអាហ្នឹងដែលជាអ្វីដែលខ្ញុំចាប់អារម្មណ៍ចឹងបើសិនជាអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាទិញឬក៏អ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាចាប់ដើមចង់បានសូមគិតលើចំណុចនេះបាទZ6 Mark IIបាទអូខេឥឡូវខ្ញុំចូលដល់ body ផងវាវិញ body ផងវាគឺបន្តទៀតគឺ body ផងវាគឺវាមានលក្ខណៈ slim ស្រួលកាន់ស្រួលប្រើបើយើងគិតទៅបាទវាងាយស្រួលក្នុងការកាន់បើសិនយើងដាក់ clip ដូចខ្ញុំដាក់អញ្ចឹងទៀតទៅគឺវាងាយស្រួលក្នុងការកាន់អត់ពិបាកទេមានន័យថាខ្ញុំសរសើរ Nikon design រូបរាងមកទោះបីជាវារាងទូចប៉ុន្តែវាងាយស្រួលក្នុងការប្រើប្រាស់ហើយប៊ូតុងផងវាក៏ស្រួលចុចដែរអត់ពិបាកទេខ្ញុំចូលចិត្តសំឡេង Nikon និយាយតាមត្រង់បាទសំឡេងនៅពេលដែលយើងថតឬសំឡេងរស់មែនតើអញ្ចឹងអានេះគឺជាអ្វីដែលខ្ញុំឆ្លងកាត់អ្វីដែលខ្ញុំចង់ប្រាប់អ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាហើយសួរថាអត់បើសិនជា mode មួយដែលមានតម្លៃប្រហាក់ប្រហែលគ្នាឬខ្ពស់ជាងនេះតិចតើកាមេរ៉ាមួយណាបើសិនជា Nikon ដែរខ្ញុំ recommend ឲ្យអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាប្រើ ZF អញ្ចឹងណាបើសិនជាតម្លៃវាអាចខុសគ្នាបន្តិចបន្តួចប៉ុន្តែ auto focus ផងវាប្រសើរជាងហើយ touch screen speed ផងវាអីក៏ប្រសើរជាងដែរខ្ញុំចង់និយាយបែបនេះបើសិនជាអ្នកអស់គ្នាថាខ្ញុំអត់ចូលចិត្ត auto focus យឺត Nikon auto focus យឺតអត់ទេអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាប្រើ ZF អាចប្រសើរជាង speed ក្នុងការប្រើប្រាស់ speed reading processor ផងវាក៏ប្រសើរជាងដែរហើយ video ផងវាក៏ប្រសើរជាងដែរវាមាន unlock 10 bit អញ្ចឹងសម្រាប់ ZF ប៉ុន្តែខ្ញុំនិយាយតែប៉ុណ្្នឹងទេខ្ញុំអត់អាចនិយាយច្រើនបានទេបើសិនជាអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាចង់ខ្ញុំ review ទៅលើ ZF ទៀតចាំខ្ញុំធ្វើវីដេអូផ្សេងមួយទៀតប៉ុន្តែសួរតែ body ផងវា body ផង Z6 Mark II ស្រួលកាន់ជាង ZF ស្រួលប្រើប្រាស់ជាង ZFចឹងបើសិនជាអ្នកនរគ្នាអត់ចេះកាន់អត់ចេះប្រើទៅលើ ZF ទេក៏រៀងពិបាកតិចអញ្ចឹងណាចឹងខ្ញុំចង់បញ្យល់បែបនេះបាទអញ្ចឹងសម្រាប់ចំណុចខ្លាំងផង Nikon Z6 Mark II វិញសម្រាប់ភាពខ្លាំងផងវាគឺខ្ញុំស្រឡាញ់ color រូបភាពជាមួយនឹង color science ផងវាថតមនុស្ស skin វាឲ្យពណ៌ទៅលើសាច់មនុស្សសាច់អីគឺស្អាតត្រជាក់ភ្នែកងាយស្រួលក្នុងការធ្វើជាពិសេសនៅពេលដែលយើងប្រើប្រាស់ជាមួយនឹង Photoshop ថែមទៀតទៅគឺពិតជាងាយស្រួលអានេះគឺចំណុចដែលខ្ញុំស្រឡាញ់ជាងគេបាទហើយមួយទៀតគឺហើយវាមានជម្រើសច្រើនសម្រាប់ lens ក្នុងការប្រើប្រាស់ណាទោះបីជាវាអត់ទាន់មានប្រភេទ third party lens មានន័យថា lens ក្រុមហ៊ុនផ្សេងដែលធ្វើពពួកZ mount នេះក៏ដោយក៏វាជាបញ្ហាដែរវាមានប្រភេទ lens Nikon ចាស់ៗឬក៏ពពួក Nikon Z mount នេះក៏វាមានតម្លៃធូរថ្លៃងាយស្រួលក្នុងការជ្រើសរើសផងដែរវាអត់ពិបាកទេអត់ពិបាកដូច brand ផ្សេងវាទោះតែ lens ល្អទោះតែ lens ថ្លៃបានថតបានស្អាតអញ្ចឹងខ្ញុំតាមបទពិសោធន៍ដែលខ្ញុំប្រើនេះគឺខ្ញុំប្រើlens ដែលមានតម្លៃមិនសូវជាថ្លៃប្រហែលទេប៉ុន្តែខ្ញុំទទួលបាននៅរូបភាពល្អៗពី lens នឹងដែរហើយ focus ផងវាជាមួយនឹង motor ផងវាក៏ល្អដែរអញ្ចឹងមានន័យថាបើសិនជាអ្នកនរចង់ប្រើប្រាស់ពពួក Z line នេះគឺងាយស្រួលទេ lens มันវាអត់ពិបាកទេហើយក៏វាមានតម្លៃធូរថ្លៃដែរដូចខ្ញុំមាន2គ្រាប់ 85.1.8 និង 23.75 2.8 អញ្ចឹង lens sharp ល្អ focus លឿនហើយងាយស្រួលក្នុងការដាក់ប្រើប្រាស់វាទូចប្រើប្រាស់ជាមួយនឹងបាតនេះគឺវាស្រួលហើយមួយទៀតនោះគឺជម្រើស lens ដែលយើងអាចប្រើប្រាស់លើ lens លើ Nikon នេះទៀតគឺវាមានពពួកកៅ lens ចាស់ៗហ្នឹងយើងគ្រាន់តែទិញ adapter ដាក់ទៅប្រើប្រាស់បានហើយអូខេ recap មកវិញបាទ focus ផងវានៅមានកម្រិតទេអត់ខ្លាំងទេប៉ុន្តែបើសិនជាអ្នកទាំងគ្នាស្រឡាញ់ Nikon ឬក៏ធ្លាប់ប្រើពី DSLR ដូច Nikon 850 810អីចឹងបើយើងឡើងមួយ step ទៀតឬក៏អ្នកឡើងមួយ step ទៀតទៅក៏វាប្រសើរដែរប៉ុន្តែសួរថាវាអត់ទេ focus អត់កើតទេអត់ទេវាប្រើបានបើសិនជាយើងយល់អំពីវាខ្ញុំនៅតែស្រឡាញ់ខ្ញុំតែប្រើវាខ្ញុំប្រើជារៀងរាល់ថ្ងៃបានអញ្ចឹងគ្រាន់តែប្រាប់ពីចំណុចត្រួសសម្រាប់អ្នកនរគ្នាឬក៏ចំណុច detail ដែលខ្ញុំមានបទពិសោធន៍ប្រើជាមួយវាហ្នឹងតើវាមានលក្ខណៈយ៉ាងម៉េចវាពិបាកយ៉ាងម៉េចក្នុងលក្ខខណ្ឌបែបម៉េចនេះគឺខ្ញុំបាននិយាយសម្រាប់ឲ្យអ្នកនរគ្នាបានយល់ហើយខ្ញុំស្រឡាញ់ពណ៌រូបភាពផងវាគឺវាដាក់រូបភាពមកគឺវាមានលក្ខណៈធ្វើឲ្យខ្ញុំស្រួលងាយស្រួលក្នុងការកែជាមួយនឹង skin tone ផងមនុស្សជាមួយនឹងមនុស្សទាំងតែម្ដងបាទអូខេអញ្ចឹងចុងក្រោយសួរថាកាមេរ៉ាមួយនេះសម្រាប់អ្នកណាបាទតាមពិតទៅសម្រាប់អ្នកថតប្រភេទដូចជា portrait ថតម្ហូបថត product អាចថតជា hotel ថតជាសណ្ឋាគារឬក៏ថតអាគារក៏បានដែរដោយសារអីបើសិនយើងយកទៅថត sport photography អត់កើតទេវារៀង speed ផងវាយឺត focus ផងវាក៏រៀងខ្សោយដែរអញ្ចឹងបើយើងយកវាឲ្យត្រូវទៅប្រើប្រាស់ដូចថតផលិតផលថតអាគារថតអីថតមនុស្សលក្ខណៈ portrait ឬក៏លក្ខណៈ wedding អីហ្នឹងក៏មិនជាបញ្ហាដែរយើងអាចថតបានសម្រាប់ action យឺតមួយអីចឹងទៅសម្រាប់កម្មវិធីទាំងមូលអញ្ចឹងក៏បានដែរតែសម្រាប់ខ្ញុំចូលចិត្តថត action លឿនអញ្ចឹងពេលខ្លះវាអាចធ្វើឲ្យមានបញ្ហាដល់ពេលដែលយើងចង់បាន action លឿនភ្លាមវាអាចខុសអីឬមួយក៏អាចទទួលបានរូបភាពហ្នឹងណាអញ្ចឹងខ្ញុំបញ្យល់ប្រាប់អ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាបាទចឹងត្រឡប់មកវិញគឺកាមេរ៉ាប្រភេទនេះគឺជាប្រភេទ full frame mirrorless របស់ Nikon ដែលល្អហើយសម្រាប់ប្រើប្រាស់ហើយមានតម្លៃធូរថ្លៃទៀតអញ្ចឹងបើសិនជាយើងចង់បាន focus auto focus ដែលល្អដែលលឿន brand មួយនេះយើងអាចឡើងមក ZX ហើយបើសិនជាកាន់តែខ្ពស់មួយទៀតមក Z6 Mark III Z6 Mark III គឺ auto focus ផងវាល្អខ្ញុំបានសាកល្បងហើយខ្ញុំបានតេស្តហើយថាវាល្អពិតជាល្អអាចប្រកួតប្រជែងជាមួយនឹងbrand ផ្សេងៗរបស់កាមេរ៉ាផ្សេងៗបានផងដែរបាទអញ្ចឹងបើសិនជាអ្នកមាន Nikon glass ហើយឬក៏កែវ lens ចាស់ៗហើយអាចទិញពួកវាប្រើទៅអាចដល់ដែរតែបើសិនជាអ្នកចូលចិត្ត lens classic តែប្រភេទរូបភាពរូបរាង classic បែបនេះអាចយក Nikon ZF auto focus ផងវាក៏ល្អដែរបាទអូខេអញ្ចឹងបើសិនជាអ្នកនរនេះចង់ខ្ញុំធ្វើ review នៅកាមេរ៉ាផ្សេងៗទៀតឬក៏ Nikon ZF អាចទម្លាក់នៅខាង comment ហើយអាច share ចែករំលែកវីដេអូមួយនេះទៅកាន់មិត្តភ័ក្តិអ្នកណាដែលគាត់ចង់ប្រើប្រាស់ឬមួយក៏ពេញចិត្តនៅវីដេអូនេះសូមជួយ like ហើយ comment ឬមួយក៏អាច share វីដេអូនេះទៅកាន់មិត្តភ័ក្តិផងយើងទាំងអស់គ្នាបានផងដែរហើយជួយ subscribe ឬមួយក៏ like follow page ខ្ញុំម្នាក់មួយទៅវាជួយឲ្យខ្ញុំកាន់តែអាចមានទឹកចិត្តធ្វើវីដេអូបន្តទៀតអញ្ចឹងអរគុណសម្រាប់ការតាមដានជួបគ្នានៅវីដេអូក្រោយបាយបាយ